Guys, just check out this channel. This channel has uploaded only 10 videos, yet it has already gained around 9,000 subscribers, and it's even monetized. And if we talk about the views, its most viewed video has crossed 1 million views, while almost every video on the channel is getting over 100,000 views. So if you've been thinking about starting a faceless channel, this is one of the best niches to get into right now. And before I show you how to create these videos, take a look at this video that I made completely free using a very simple method.
We finally found it! This place is beautiful. Where is everyone? What did you find, Max? How is that possible? This place is huge. Do not wake them. Run! Keep going, Max! What is it, boy?
Now watch this tutorial carefully and don't skip any part, because even one missed step can affect your final result. So for creating these types of videos, first open ChatGPT. Then paste this prompt into the chat box and simply hit enter. You'll find this prompt in the description box below. After entering the prompt, it will ask you a few questions. The first question is the length of your video. Here, you need to tell ChatGPT how long you want your video to be. Next, it will ask for your story idea. You'll see multiple ideas here that you can choose from, or you can provide your own custom idea as well. Then it will ask what type of threat or conflict you want in your story. It already provides several options, and you can choose any one of them. Next, you'll need to decide how many characters you want in your story. Again, you can choose from the available options or add your own. Then you'll need to provide character information. For every character in your story, you'll need to give details like name, age, gender, and personality. Next, it will ask what tone you want for your story. There are multiple options available, or you can type your own custom tone. After that, you'll need to specify your target audience and tell ChatGPT who the video is intended for. Then comes the ending type. Here, you'll need to choose how you want your story to end. Multiple options are already provided for you. Next is the world type, which is optional. If you'd like, you can choose one of the available options. And finally, there are special requirements. This section is also optional, and you can fill it out if needed. At the end, you'll see a format provided by ChatGPT. You can simply answer using that format. Now I'm going to create a story and show you the entire process. So I'll copy the same format that ChatGPT generated for me, paste it into the chat box, and hit enter. As you can see, my video script is now ready. Since my video length is only 1 minute, the script is relatively short. The longer the video length you choose, the longer and more detailed the generated script will be. Once the script is generated, we'll create image prompts and animation prompts. For that, paste this prompt and hit enter. You'll find this prompt in the description as well. Now you can see that, according to our script, ChatGPT has generated 12 image prompts and animation prompts. Next, we'll generate the images, and for that, we'll use Flow. So open Flow, then go back to ChatGPT and copy the first scene's image prompt. Now return to Flow, click here, and select Image. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9. For the result setting, you can choose anything you want, 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, or 4 times. Now paste the image prompt that you copied from ChatGPT and hit enter. After a short wait, your image will be generated. As you can see, our first image has been generated successfully. Now we'll generate the second image using the exact same process. As you can see, the second image doesn't look very good because the character isn't consistent. But don't worry, I have a solution for that. To keep your characters consistent, you'll see a Tools option on the side. Click on it. Then scroll down until you find Whisk and open it. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy your character prompt. I'll copy my first character's prompt, paste it here. Then copy the image style from any image prompt, just like I'm doing here, and paste it as well. Now simply hit enter. As you can see, our first first character has been generated successfully. We'll follow the exact same process for the second character as well. So here I've generated my second character too. Now you'll see a subject option on the side. Click on it. Upload your first character image. Then click the plus icon and upload the second character image as well. Now both character images have been added. Next, go back to ChatGPT and copy the first image prompt. Return to Whisk, paste it, and hit enter. Our first image has been generated, but we can't judge character consistency from just one image. So let's generate the second image as well using the same process. Now you can see that the second image has also been generated, and this time the characters remain consistent.
So I think this deserves at least one like from you guys. And don't forget to hype the channel as well. Now, let's generate all the remaining images using the exact same process. As you can see, all my images have now been generated. And if you'd like a way to avoid doing all of this manually and create videos much faster, then comment below. In the next video, I'll show you a solution for that as well. Now that all the images are ready, it's time to animate them. For that, click on All Media. Then click the plus icon and add the first image using Add to Prompt. Next, select Frames to Video. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9 and keep the result setting at 1x. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the first animation prompt, paste it here, and hit Enter. It will take a little time and then animate your image. As you can see, our image has now been animated, and personally, I think the result looks really good. Now, we'll follow the exact same process for all the remaining images. As you can see, all my images have now been animated successfully. Now upscale them and download all the clips. Once all the clips are downloaded, open your favorite video editor. I'm using CapCut. Click on Import and import all the clips. Then add all the clips to the timeline and arrange them in the correct sequence. If there are any parts you don't like or that feel unnecessary, you can simply cut them out. You can also add transitions from here. I'm using the mix transition. After adding the transition, click Apply to All, and it will be added to every clip automatically. And just like that, our video is now complete. So guys, if you'd like me to create an actual channel in this niche and publicly show you the results, then let's get 100 comments on this video. And if you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comments. I reply to everyone. If you found this video useful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hype it as well. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Until then, bye.